Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why, but listen to your heart before you tell him sometimes you wonder if this fight is worthwhile. The precious moments are all lost in the tide. Yeah, they're swept away, and nothing is what it seems. The feeling of belonging to your dreams. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why, but listen to your heart before you tell him And there are voices that want to be heard. So much to mention, but you can't find the words. The sense of magic, the beauty that's been when love was wilder than the wind. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell him
Ooh. Oh, let me share a little something with you now. Oh.
Baby girl, tell me how the hell am I supposed to trust you now? After everything you did to me, and I'm sitting here trying to find a way to forget somehow. Cause I'm feeling like you cut me too deep. Gotta blame myself cause I told you to lay it on the line. Never thought that you would lay it that way. Never thought you had so much to say. Never thought that I'd see the day. Well, we'd almost crossed the line between love and hate. You told me everything now. Oh, I'm trying to take it like a man and halfway understand. Being hurt wasn't part of the plan. It was a heartbreaker, hearing things I didn't want to hear from her. Now I'm thinking about the things I did for her. Glad I never ever had no kids with her. This heartbreaker, cause I damn near swallowed my tongue when she said it to me. Heart started pounding like a drum when she said it to me. Thought the truth was something I could take, but it wasn't supposed to feel like a heartbreak. Now the fact of the matter is, I thought that I'd be cool after everything you needed to me. It's taking everything in me not to put my hands on you, cause I'm feeling like you cut me too deep. Gotta blame myself cause I told you to lay it on the line. I thought that you would lay it that way. No, so much. Well, we almost crossed the line between love and hate. Don't need no surprises now. I'm hurting, I'm trying to hide it, y'all. Oh, I understand. Oh, it was a heartbreaker, yeah. Wanna hear from her. Now I'm thinking about the things I did for her, yeah. But another heartbreaker swallowed my tongue, oh. Something I could take, but feel like a heartbreak. My share of broken hearts. Took it too far, cause what you did to me. Oh, yeah, you told me, but I wish I didn't know. Now why you wanna go and break me down? It's like I'm lost, never to be found. Then like I'm 6 feet under the ground. You didn't have to tell me, cause